Welcome to my channel. I'm Chris, and today we're touring a building that one of you actually suggested. I tried finding the comment that requested I do the tour here, but I couldn't actually find it. But you know who you are. If you're the one who asked for this video, this one's for you. Otherwise, this is a very exciting tour because this building has yet to be fully constructed. The building is called Wren and is a 40-story luxury high-rise in downtown Seattle. I couldn't get a tour of this building itself because it's still being built, but I was able to tour a mock-up 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it didn't disappoint. This building will be decked out with some of the best amenities and is currently open for pre-leasing. My only regret is that the building itself isn't open, so I wasn't able to see the rooftop view, because it'll definitely have one of the best views of Seattle, and just looking at the pictures online, it looks absolutely amazing. But that's enough of that, let's roll that intro. And let's jump straight into this video. I'm going to show you a quick overview of the apartment itself. This is a 687 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom luxury apartment, although this one's just a mock-up because we couldn't get an actual tour in the building itself. We'll take a first look at the kitchen. It has a full-size dishwasher, oven, refrigerator, has a microwave, and has a very nice U-shape. So there's plenty of space for whatever appliances you need, and it has lighting underneath the cabinets themselves, which gives a nice backlit effect, and with the darker coloring it gives it a nice warm feeling. The nice thing about these cabinets is they're actually very deep, and there's a lot of them. So you'll never really run out of cabinet space, and it's a 1-bedroom, so it's really just you and one other at most. So you'll definitely never run out of space to put things. And as you can see, ample space if you want to include a toaster, an espresso machine, cookbooks, dishes. You could have multiple people cooking here, which I think is amazing. It's a 1-bedroom, but it's definitely built for more than one person. And of course the dishwasher, it's full size. Some apartments in Seattle do give you a smaller dishwasher, but this time you get the full package. And turning around, let's check out the bathroom. My first impression of the bathroom is that it's actually pretty well lit. I like that it has white walls, so even though there aren't a lot of lights in this room, it looks pretty bright. Plus it has a lot of space and a pretty big mirror. Overall, pretty nice. It leads directly into the bedroom, which is something that I think is nice, but also if you're gonna have guests over, it might be a little weird if they can stare into your bedroom as they're using your restroom, but still perfectly fine. It has 2 sinks. I prefer one, but it actually kind of looks really aesthetic here, so I kind of appreciate it actually. I also like the lighting on the mirror itself, so you don't have to worry about lighting when getting ready to go out or taking that bathroom selfie. Walking on over, we're actually going to check out this closet that's in the hallway that connects the bathroom to the bedroom. It's nice and large, can fit pretty much all the clothes that you need. For me, this is more than enough, but I do know that some people might need some more space, so it might be a little small if you have a lot of clothes, but if you're like me, you'll be fine. The bedroom itself is really beautiful, although one thing that I will note is that it doesn't come with all the furnishings that you see here. The standard bedroom will be pretty much just white. It's large enough to have a king-size bed and maybe a small ottoman in the room itself. I don't think there's anything super special about the bed. If you can imagine, most apartments in this building wouldn't be on street floor, so you won't be actually seeing cars from your bedroom, but this is a mock-up, so I guess it cut them some slack for the views outside. It's large enough for a king-size bed, which is nice, and it's an actual bedroom. It's not like an urban bedroom or an open bedroom or whatever word they throw around out there that isn't actually one bedroom. This is a true 1-bedroom, although again, it probably doesn't blow you away if you're from anywhere that isn't Seattle. Next, we'll check out the living room. This is a 670 square foot space, so it is a little small, although in my opinion, the way they furnished it makes it look really bright. I kind of really appreciate it because it gives me a good idea of how I would structure things or how I wouldn't structure things. Another cool thing to note is that every apartment in Wren comes with its own balcony. And this balcony space isn't actually included in the total square footage of the property. That's something that I think is totally amazing because this may be 687 square feet, but on average you get an extra 100 to 200 square feet just because you get a balcony. And if you have a southern facing or eastern facing or even western facing balcony, you'll get sun all throughout the winter when it is sunny. That's definitely a plus in Seattle. If you have a north facing balcony, don't worry, you'll get a great view of Lake Union. And from the balcony itself, you can get a pretty good view into the living room and kitchen. Again, it's not super large, but with all the furnishings that they have there, it does give it the impression of having more space. So I definitely appreciate the job that they did with furnishing the apartment. But again, don't forget that the apartment doesn't come with a furnishing. This is them just staging it. But hey, it's kind of nice to see everything. Overall, my impressions of this place is that it's a really beautiful place to be, and when the building's complete, it's absolutely worth a tour. Having a balcony in every room, just like mind-blowing, and it's cool that they don't count the balcony space in with the total square footage. So you get a little bit extra space wherever you live in Rennes. The only negative is probably the price. For the most part, you can expect to pay anywhere between $3,500 and $4,000 per month. For this unit, it starts at $2,800. I can't give you an exact price because, again, it varies and they're still pre-leasing and selling out. If pricing isn't an issue, I think this will be one of the coolest new buildings in Seattle. The architecture of the building looks great. The living areas and the amenities that it has are really awesome too. I'm gonna show you a couple pictures here, and the pictures that I am showing you are from their website, so you could check that out. Outside of the rooms themselves, this place will be amazing to visit, and it'll probably have one of the best rooftop views in Seattle. So if you're interested in living in a new building, I would definitely go for this place. Although I will say, it's a little more expensive than what I would pay for. So you get smaller rooms, but you are paying for living in a new space for a 40-story apartment building and for rooftop views. So it's definitely a more expensive building, but that's just because it's newer and it has a lot of cool features. And that just about wraps up this tour. I hope you really enjoyed it, and big thanks to the person who recommended this video. If you have any other buildings or neighborhoods you want me to tour, or any apartments or types of apartments you want to see, just comment down below and I'll make time for it. I love shooting these videos, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below. And if you have any feedback, I'd happily take that as well. So with that, that's everything. This has been Rennes, a luxury high-rise in downtown Seattle. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.